Hello students, come back to our class. In previous class, we just discussed definition of black body. Black body is an ideal body. Black body is an ideal body, can absorb total energy and can emit total energy. So we can say that black body is perfect absorber and perfect emitter. Okay, what is the exact definition of black body? An ideal body can absorb total energy and can emit total energy. So it is perfect absorber and perfect emitter. Clear? Now I am going to tell you what are the examples of black bodies. So one is platinum black. Platinum black means fine powder of platinum. Fine powder of platinum is called as platinum black. Fine powder of platinum is called as platinum black, and platinum black act as black body. Platinum black can absorb total energy, can emit total energy. So platinum black is black body. Clear? Next, one more example, electric stove, which you see in kitchen. Electric stove, when we switch on the electric stove, it glows red. Okay, it appears to be red in color. Okay, when we switch on the electric stove, it glows red color. So it can emit. Okay, electric stove can emit energy. Electric stove can emit total energy in the form of red color. So electric stove and platinum black both are considered as black bodies. Clear? Platinum black is one of the example of black body, and second one is electric stove. Electric stove also one of the example of black body. These two can emit, can absorb total energy. Okay, clear? Now, what is the definition of black body radiation? Till now we have discussed black body. Now what is the definition of black body radiation? The radiation nothing but energy. Radiation nothing but energy. Radiation nothing but energy. Radiation nothing but energy. Clear? The radiation emitted. Emitted means what? Released. The radiation emitted by the black body. The radiation emitted by the black body is called as black body radiation. Okay, remember that. The radiation emitted by the black body is called as black body radiation. Black body is an ideal body, can absorb and can emit total energy. It is perfect absorber and perfect emitter. Black body radiation means the radiation emitted by the black body is called as black body radiation. Clear? So this is about black body radiation. Clear? Now let us move to another concept, photoelectric effect. This is another concept, very very important, photoelectric effect. So in the name photoelectric effect, photo means light. Photo means what? Light. Photo indicates what? Light. Photo means light. Okay, so just like black body radiation, photoelectric effect also one of the scientific phenomena. And it was studied by scientist Hedge. This phenomena was studied by scientist Hedge, H-E-R-T-Z, in the year 1887. In the year 1887, Hedge studied photoelectric effect, and he performed in the year 1887. Hedge performed an experiment. He did one experiment. Hedge performed an experiment, and he observed that. Hedge observed that when a beam of light, beam nothing but number of light rays, not single ray, not single light ray. Beam of light means what? Number of light rays. Number of light rays. You all know that light has particular wavelength. Okay, light has wavelength, frequency, velocity. You all know that. Okay, when a beam of light, beam nothing but what? Group of light rays, not single ray, not single light ray, group of light rays. When a beam of light of suitable wavelength, is allowed to fall on the surface of the metals, like potassium, rubidium and cesium. Okay, once again, when a beam of light is allowed to fall on the surface of metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium, then electrons are emitted. Emitted means what? Released. Electrons are emitted. Emitted means what? Released. Electrons are emitted or ejected. Ejected means what? Released. Okay, clear? When light falls on the surface of the metal, electrons present in the metal absorb energy, and these electrons are emitted or ejected. These electrons are emitted or ejected. Okay, so this phenomena of ejection of the electron, ejection nothing but emission. What is another name for ejection? Emission. Okay, the phenomena of emission of electrons or ejection of electrons. The phenomena of emission of electrons or ejection of electrons from the surface of metal is called as photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect. Clear? What is photoelectric effect? The phenomena of ejection of electrons from the surface of metal is called as photoelectric effect. Here I want to give you one example. Now I am taking one metal. It may be potassium or rubidium or cesium, whatever. I am taking one metal. So this is one metal. So generally metals contain electrons. Here negative signs indicate electrons. Clear? Now, when a beam of light, okay, this is the light ray. When a beam of light, not single light ray, number of light rays. When a beam of light falls on the surface of metal, the electrons present in the metal absorb light. And which are ejected or emitted. Okay. When beam of light is allowed to fall, on the surface of the metal, the electrons present in the metal absorb energy and they are emitted. Emitted means what? Ejected. Ejected nothing but released, which are released from the surface of the metal. Okay. So this phenomena, this process of ejection or emission, this phenomena of emission of electrons from the surface of metal is called as photoelectric effect. Clear? Photoelectric effect means the phenomena of ejection of electrons from the surface of metal when light falls on it is called as photoelectric effect. Here I have shown you clear diagram to understand photoelectric effect. Here, when a beam of light falling on the surface of the metal, the electrons absorb light energy and they get ejected, they get emitted. Okay, these are the ejection of electrons. These are the electrons ejected. These are the electrons ejected from the surface of the metal. This ejection of electrons from the surface of metal when light falls it, the phenomena of ejection of electrons from the surface of metal when light falls on it is called as photoelectric effect. Clear? I hope you understood about photoelectric effect and blackbody radiation. Clear?